Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Revolut app on PC through an emulator. First, go to the Revolut website. You'll see features like your salary reimagined, spending smartly, spending money quickly, and automatically sorting your salary. You can also earn ref points on your purchases with debit cards, create virtual cards for Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, and grow your savings with up to 4.50% AER interest. Revolut Secure helps protect your account 24/7, and you can even invest commission-free in over 2,500 stocks within your monthly allowance. Next, check the available plans and see which one suits you. Standard is free and covers the basics. Plus is £3.99 per month for extra benefits like better limits for spending abroad and purchase insurance. Premium is £7.99 per month, giving access to exclusive subscription. Higher savings rate and unlimited currency exchange. Metal is £14.99 per month, perfect for global travelers with travel insurance, higher limits and subscriptions worth €2,100 annually. Ultra at £55 per month and includes unlimited airport lounge access, monthly global data, partner subscriptions, and cancellation cover. Now click on sign up. You can either scan the QR code to download the app on your phone or get a download link via SMS by entering your mobile number. Then click on login, enter your phone number or click on the Google icon to continue with your Google account. Choose the Google account you want to use and click continue. Once you're logged in, you can start using Revolut on your PC. If you're using an emulator, open it, log into your Google Play Store inside the emulator, and install Revolut. After installing, open the app, log in using your phone number or Google account, and you'll have full access to all Revolut features on your computer. You can check your balance, send and receive money, manage your virtual and physical cards, set up savings goals, and explore investments, all just like on your phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.